So, how do you make money on YouTube if you don't create videos? Today's video will go over 6 different steps that you can use. Now, here's a question for you guys. Have you ever seen a video on YouTube where the person in it didn't even show their face? More than likely, the answer is yes. Kind of like this one you're watching now. But I bet you didn't know that these type of videos can actually make you a ton of money. Most of these channels aren't even original in the sense that they're just using other people's videos, but they're transforming videos from YouTube, re-uploading them on their own channel, and then make money from those videos by putting ads on them. Now, is this legal? The answer is yes. That's what's so amazing about this. You can literally just grab videos, put them together, and narrate on top of them and make between $1,000 and $30,000 per month, maybe more, without actually having to come create the content yourself. I'm going to go over 6 specific steps on how to do this. But first, here's a general explanation of how it works. Basically, you go on YouTube, download videos, re-upload them to your channel, monetize those videos, and sell them to earn money. So one step is to create your channel. Chances are you already have a YouTube channel if you're watching this. So creating a channel is super simple. And you can make as many channels as you want. You don't need 100 different Gmails or 100 different passwords. You can literally only need one Gmail account and you can make as many channels as you want under that one account. Choosing a specialty is step 2. And my top 10 channels are the best places to start. At this point, you're probably wondering how I know which videos I should be producing. Tech channels, meditation channels, and the psychology specialty, financial channels, luxury channels, and spooky videos. Now, in each of these niches, you can discover examples of successful, large-scale channels. So after you choose a niche and create your channel, be sure to include a logo in the channel art to ensure that it seems official and professional. This makes your channel appear as official as possible. Step 3 is getting monetized. So you're probably wondering right now, how do I actually go out and start making money doing this? Well, you can get monetized directly on YouTube and put ads on your videos by joining something called the YouTube Partner Program, as we all probably know by now. And YouTube will put ads on your videos and you'll get a certain percentage of the ad revenue. And the 2 things you need to get monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I aim to monetize every new channel I launch within 1 to 2 months of its launch. So this can happen very quickly. Step 4 is getting content. You're probably wondering where you can actually get content to use in your videos. I'm going to go over 2 different places that you can get content to use in your videos. The first is directly on YouTube itself. To do this, simply go to YouTube and search in your niche. So for example, if you wanted to make top 10 videos, search in top 10 and sort by the most viewed videos in the past month. This will show you new videos that are actually getting views, and then you can go and use their videos, but make sure that it's transformative and fair use. The number 2 place you can get content to use in your videos is free stock footage websites. There's huge YouTube channels out there like Brainy Dose, which literally just make psychology videos with voiceover on top of free stock footage. And if you actually want to make more money on YouTube and you don't want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours just to get monetized, you can actually make a lot more money by adding affiliate links to related products in the description of your video, depending on the niche in which you're producing videos. Step 5, optimize your videos. You may be wondering, how do I optimize my videos? To do this without putting in a lot of work, use the free extension vidIQ, which I'll leave a link to below. The extension optimizes your videos, titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and subtitles. So when coming up with titles, ask yourself, will someone actually search for this on YouTube? For the description, make sure to use a lot of sentences with tags and keywords that will be searched for on YouTube. And this will ensure that your video appears in search results and in suggested video feeds of related videos. It's really simple. Step 6 is putting ads on your videos. So once you've done everything correctly, you should be monetized. And the best way to make the most money from YouTube is to produce videos that are more than 10 minutes long. Because this way, you can actually add mid-roll ads on your videos and put multiple ads throughout your videos. And the best way to do this is to put an ad at the beginning of your video, at the end of the video, and every 2 minutes throughout the video. For example, if you have a 10-minute video, place an ad at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, and 8 minutes, and then one at both the beginning of the video and the end. This way, you'll have 6 different ads instead of just one, and you'll make up to 6 times the amount of money. I actually wanted to give you my top 6 secrets for doing this correctly, and before we get into them, make sure to hit the like button, man, if you haven't already. Secret number one is editing your videos and making sure that they're fair use so you don't get banned or copyright strikes. And if you don't want to narrate on top of your own videos, just pay someone $5 or $10 to do it for you. It's very simple. And if you're doing it yourself, I recommend using your smartphone. You can also use an editor called OpenShot, which is completely free for both Mac and PC. And I'll leave a link down below where you can get that. OpenShot works great for this. And trust me, if you don't know how to use it, and don't worry, there's a ton of completely free YouTube videos and tutorials that'll teach you exactly how to use OpenShot. That way you can edit your videos for completely free without costing you a ton of money. The more you post, the better. But usually the most doable schedule is about one video a day. And remember that these videos should only take around 1 hour or so to make. So this should be completely doable. And remember, there are channels out there making over 100,000 a month, so it's definitely worth it to put in the work and make one video a day. I don't have Photoshop, and you don't need it to do this either. You can use a completely free software called Paint if you're on Windows, or an online-based software called Canva, which is available on both Mac and PC. And something you'll probably notice on thumbnails is that some of the top view videos have either a red arrow or a circle in them. So make sure to include something like that in your thumbnails in order to get the most views and make the most money from this. The secret number 4 is looking at your analytics. So in order to make the most money from this, make sure that you're going in and looking at the analytics of all of your videos that you upload after uploading them. And the number one thing that you want to look at brings me to number 5, which is increasing both your audience retention and watch time. So for a 10-minute video, aim for around 60% average view duration. The number one way to increase audience retention is to use a lot of fast cuts throughout your video. The next thing you want to look at is secret number 6, which is the click-through rate. Now, click-through rate is the percentage of people who click to watch your video after seeing it, either in search results, browse features, or the suggested video feed. And you want to aim for at least a 6% click-through rate. If you can get a 60% average view duration on a 10-minute video and a 6% click-through rate, you're incredibly likely to go viral on YouTube. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Are you going to do this? Comment down below, man, if you are. And be careful not to give out your channels because people definitely will copy them. Thank you so much for watching, man. Everyone like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Later.